There is a fable told by a mountain people living in the ancient highlands of New Guinea about a race between a snake and a bird. It tells of a contest which decided if men would be like birds and die, or be like snakes which shed their skins and have eternal life. The bird won, and from that time, all men, like birds, must die. Among those who tell why men must die is Weyak. His name means wrong, for as a child he showed unreasonable rage. As a man he learned to govern his temper, and though neither very rich nor very powerful, he has the respect of all with whom he lives. He is a warrior, a farmer, and leader of the band of men who guard the most dangerous sector of a frontier which divides themselves from their enemy. Often, while at his post, he busies himself with weaving, a task all men perform.